Hey y'all, welcome back to Oh No Adventures. In December of 22, early January 23, we had taken the 392 up to Tom's 4x4 Superstore to have a camp package put in. At that time, that was the only performance package they provided, and so here's the before and after. And once again, this is going from the stock 392 to the upgraded camp. So here we are again with my camera turned the correct way for a YouTube video, and this is just the cam package. And this is with all the rest of the upgrades. And once again, this is just with the cam upgrade. And how it is now. So if you're looking to do any upgrades to your 392, or you need any kind of upgrades done to your 4x4, just give Tom's 4x4 Superstore in Chattanooga, Tennessee a call. Matt and Tyler will take care of you. And hey, Light Bright Nation, we're coming for your stepchild. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Oh no, no, no.